Hello and welcome to Matthew Jansen YouTube channel. I'm Mummers X360 and today I'm filling in for Matthew, the original presenter of this video, to unbox the brand new, just released iPhone 17. Although Matthew would normally present the first impression with the unboxing video, Matthew is sick today and cannot
present them.
So here I am, on with the video. On September 9th, 2025, Apple released the new iPhone 17 series. Most notably, they released the iPhone Air. It is now 5.6 millimeters thin, and despite concerns it would bend like the iPhone 6, but with a new titanium frame, it does not bend during casual use. We'll just have to wait for Jerry Rig Everything to do his durability test. Apple also released brand new versions of their Pro and Pro Max iPhone. Of course, today, as posted on Twitter, we have here the base model iPhone 17 in black. This year, Apple has pivoted to a 256 gigabyte base storage amount instead of the previous 128 gigabyte. So without further ado, let's unbox this new device.
And the box on the table. And then, yeah.
You're gonna have to take out that address there, Matthew.